when they
Actually, a lot of in KV I have noticed the order was same, right? First was prayer, then there was pledge,
Yes.
then there was thought of news of the day. Then there was word of the day or thought of the day, whatever.
Yeah.
All that glitters is not good.
yeah.
I repeat,
But yeah, for us the quote was
Hindi Anuvad.
for us the quote was written on the board. The student didn't say that.
No, in assembly.
Oh yeah, but there was no quote.
Oh, really?
There was, for us it was whatever. The starting was correct. The pledge. What was the first thing you said? The prayer.
Yeah.
The pledge.
Asatoma, Sadgamaya.
Yeah, Asatoma, yeah, exactly. And then one song where the choir prepares a song every day. They will rehearse and then they will sing this song.
Community singing.
Community singing.
Yeah.
And that's where all these songs used to come out.
Hey, mati re, modu mate.
And
And
I think every community had like a different song they would just bring
one
on.
Assamese song, one Telugu song.
Yeah.
Then there was...
No, but I think my KVs were fuck all were Hindi only.
Oh,
no, they didn't try
Bharat
culture.
ka
This was
Swarnim
there.
Gaurav.
This was all there.
We
but-
had that diary which had all the different language songs. So sometimes they would just be like, today we'll practice
we will
38.
sing. Yeah, correct. The KV had that diary, where only the first 40 pages you can't write anything.
Yeah.
And then the next 40 pages is all the complaints.
Yeah.
Your son can't complete that. But this is how gay we were, when we were in school. I just immediately remember this. Because the pledge was the funniest one because you start with all Indians are mine.
Yeah.
And when you're a kid, you sing it with like all Indians are my brothers and sisters. And you do that kind of
The
Nazi.
cool boys would never say it.
No, but I'll tell you when they never did it. It was always post 9th or 10th. Because that's when the guys start having crush on one girl.
Yeah.
And I'm like, now I don't mean this.
There are
All
like
Indians
some
are not.
Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers except her. Like, it was just the worst. Oh, dude. KV Boy is one of the most alpha gay guys I've ever seen.
Alpha gay guys
Yeah.
is absolutely right.
So cheesy.
The whole thing is, अबे बैच ऑफ फोड़ दूंगा तुझे. Miss, may I come in?
Miss, may I come in? It was so nice. We were like crazy. All the KV stories were like funny. All my army school stories were a little like not that great. Because army school still had that, like, how do you say that? A lot of kids who came in because they were studious.
Discipline, a little more discipline,
And also very studious and like were studies. And there was like a bunch of people who were like these rich brats.
Okay.
You know, like that Joe Jita Vai Sikandar come in a bike or a car.
Deepak Tijori and his gang.
Yeah, like those kind of like officer kids. Would like those are the kids like they never ironed
ये
their own
मॉडल के
shirt.
सड़क छाप लोग. Yeah, that's how army school people looked at KV.
yeah. It's
ये
actually
साले पैजामा छाप.
pajama chap wale log aa jate hain hamare like But the thing was even inside army schools that bifurcation was there. Like, the officer daughters and officer kids and all would be like, those kids who never iron their shirt.
Yeah.
But you did. After 8th standard, I had to like iron my own pant and this thing and all.
Their house, some helper is doing
Helper,
it.
the butler is doing it,
Yeah.
and you know, like all these guys. And that's the thing where I used to see. But in KV, everyone he was unanimously fucked up.
That's true.
That's
That
how
is
the
true.
unity came in.
Yeah.
It's like if you were in KV, and also if you even little bit showed a elite, they smell eliteness in you, they will fucking punch the shit out of that.
That happened the most visibly when until most students are 1 to 10 KV, right?
Yes.
So 10th,
But I was 11th and 12th also KV.
Me too.
Ah.
But what I'm saying, until 10th, we were all KV. 11th, what they did was they allowed a few ICSE students to apply externally, non-army, non-central government employees.
Correct. Yes.
For 11th and 12th because there was vacancy in science specifically.
Yeah. Because a lot of kids went to PU because it's easier.
Yeah,
State syllabus.
It's easier and it helps them with the CET
and all
that
those
stuff.
things. So it's just way more convenient.
Yeah.
And then this is CBSE, which was looked on like, CBSE is tough shit.
Yeah.
And they never told us about ICSE at that time when we were kids.
ICSE is not as tough as CBSE. English
ICSE
is tougher. No.
ICSE chemistry was very tough, bro. What are you saying? Their book is this big.
Bro, book is big. They can't solve. I went to IIT coaching with ICSE students. CBSE students were like, ये तो हमें क्लास में पढ़ाया है.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because I also went for IIT coaching, but I was very bad at classes.
Dude,
so I used to sleep off.
I played football and slept. Before 6 o'clock, tuition used to start. I used to go at 5, play football with some guys, and by 6, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Fully gone, I just used to lie down.
Same here.
Yeah.
Dude, there was this one time, teacher was angry that we were sleeping. I literally looking at her like, She's like, Anand, go wash your face and come. I'm like, ma'am, it's not gonna help.
Yeah. Washing is not
Yeah,
helping.
I've reached that level.
Yeah.
So yeah, so like
I used to try everything when there was exams and I had to wake up early and study. Did you hear this? Cold water. Bangalore, Pune would have cold water in the morning, right? Take cold water and if you want to wake up, put it behind your shirt.
Oh yeah. I've
Yeah.
not tried that though.
If it goes through the back and
just
that
like-
follows the line and you're like, "Ugh,"
yeah, it's
you
like,
wake up.
oh,
Nothing
yeah, the
happens.
Journey to the ass crack.
One day I was doing this.
Journey to the center of the hole.
Haan.
Yeah. to the center of the
Don't be a wisecrack.
No, for us, but I've also done this. Like, I remember 10th and 12th, they scared us enough. So,
Yeah.
but for me, it was Bangalore early morning, it'll be damn cold, the water.
Yeah.
Just take a little bit of water and throw it on your face. It's just enough.
It works a little bit, but my dad used to stand outside the bathroom. He'd be like, moment it is done, you have to come out.
Oh, you can't stay in.
Yeah, so you know that platform where the sink is?
Huh?
If some rooms it is edge to edge.
Yeah.
I used to climb on that and sleep.
Oh, yeah, we all slept like that and all, bro. I think 12th standard was the worst year for me in terms of educational because all that, like, I had a crush and I used to, like, hit on this girl and also never studied.
Hit on her how? Like,
Nah, the worst shit, bro.
was she your KV classmate?
She was actually my classmate.
Okay, let me guess. Okay, tell me how accurate I am. You guys leave school, you guys walk together for a little bit. Okay, then she reaches home, you try to reach home before her and call her on landline. then every time you get a chocolate, you save one for her.
So what you're the thing is you're right.
Yeah.
What do you think? You're in the rice territory,
Yeah.
but you're making it cute.
Huh.
It was actually pretty gay.
Okay.
It was pretty like, you know, she was very introverted and in the sense that I liked her. So story so fucked up. Though she didn't say yes
Huh.
when I asked her out.
Huh.
But I knew that she liked me because all my friends are like, bro, she likes you.
Huh.
And you're like, why is she saying no? Why is she not saying yes? Then I found out there was this other guy who kind of liked her
Huh.
and he threatened her for something like, you know, I'll kill myself or something. So she said yes in fear.
Oh my God, what a KV story if
Yeah.
there was ever one.
So she said yes to him out of fear. Like, don't do anything for yourself. And then this guy was an asshole because, you know, if someone's threatening to do suicide, imagine what kind of a jerk he would be. So he was like, why are you wearing this? Why are you talking to that guy? All that kind of stuff. And, you know, and then I asked her out, and I was like, she did say yes. I was like, okay, fuck, it's gone, dude. And, you know, in 12th standard, your first proposal, someone says no, your world is gone.
Yeah,
You don't want to live
You
anymore.
immediately want to take a compass and
Yeah.
carve her name on your chest.
Yeah, you know what? No, I was too much of a pussy for that.
Yeah,
I tried. Dude,
okay.
there were two guys next to me who did like
Huh,
compass.
yeah. Or the next option is play Tadap Tadap by KK on the cassette.
That's what I did.
On loop.
For me, it was not tadap tadap. It was like Sach keh raha hai
dude.
deewana dil, because you know
The line is.
even then we hated Salman Khan.
No, this is Madhavan.
That's what I'm saying. Tadap tadap.
Ha, Tadap Tadap.
Tadap
Yeah,
tadap.
yeah.
Even
Okay,
then
correct,
we hated
correct.
Salman. We didn't like him that much.
And the line that gets you the most in Sach Keh Raha Hai Deewana is मैंने हर लम्हा जिसे चाहा जिसे उसी ने यारो मेरा दिल.
So it was like the worst thing, and you know, like I used to do this. I was so. This is how petty we were. Okay, I wanted to like on my birthday.
Huh.
She had an exam,
Huh.
but I was in 12th. She was in 11th.
Huh.
So अब हमारा pre board सब हो चुका है.
Huh.
तो हमारा तो preparation चल रहा है अभी और हम class attend नहीं कर रहे.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the guys were getting in fight.
Yeah, after November, you barely have anything.
Barely. So I used to like play football. So my birthday, she shook my hand. She wished me. I have to go for an exam.
Huh.
After I'll meet you after the exam. We'll go out for like some samosa or something.
Huh.
I was like, cool, done. And then we play football. We are playing on this concrete surface where prayers happen, assembly prayers. Okay, so it's fully like tiled. Slip. Head first onto the tile, open this up.
Very nice.
And she's like morning she has met me like full face. After this fully like open, go into the MI room, get like fucking 6 stitches.
Suddenly you became hot. She became less introverted.
Yeah,
Look at that scar. Look at my man.
No, the thing is the scar comes after like a month.
But initially
at
it
the
is swollen and black.
It's a swollen and it's this big of a plaster because you know MI rooms, right?
Yeah.
They don't care
cheap
about
out on
bandage.
the gauze.
Yeah, they don't care about the bandage length and all.
Yeah.
It is from here till here. For a fucking like
one plastic green color cup like this.
yeah, exactly. There's like one bulge here, and I could barely see out of this eye.
Yeah.
It was like that Rocky in the 14th round. I
Yeah,
was just looking like that, okay?
Yeah.
And only this side. And then she comes out after the exam, and I'm like, hi. And 2 hours, this has happened. And then she looks at me, she goes crazy. She's like, what the fuck?
This is still your birthday.
It's still November 19th.
On your birthday.
This is 9 a.m. She wished me and went. And then 10 a.m. the injury happened. 11 a.m. I'm at the MI room. 2 o'clock I'm back.
Yeah.
She comes out and she's like, what the fuck happened? And then we still go out for samosas and all this shit. So these are like the kind of shit. Still, by the way, she has not said yes yet.
So what is this like? She
likes me. She wants to hang out with me, but
she doesn't want the other guy to die. Yeah.
Yes. She can't say yes to me. It's like the worst thing ever. We would hang out.
You're a third wheel with your own girlfriend.
Yes. The worst. Dude, we would be hanging out. We would be sitting together and talking. Like, she would hold my hand, which in KV terms is like French kiss.
Dude, that is base 3.
Yeah.
You have entered and come out.
Yeah, she put the tongue, that's like, that's the hand holding. And I would ask her, why can't you say no to that guy? Just say it. No, just politely say it to him. She's like, dude, you don't understand. And the thing is, and you know what? She was such an asshole. She knew that I knew that she liked me, but she was still fucking around. She would like, why should I say no to him? You know that games that they play?
Yeah, this is classic inspired by Hindi movie. The Compass writing is also inspired by Hindi movie.
Full on.
But this is their version of it.
Their version. So like how women know that they lie. They know, but they try.
हमें फिर मिलना चाहिए. क्यों मिलना चाहिए?
क्यों मिलना चाहिए?
क्या रिश्ता है हमारा?
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? So all that shit, and I remember this was like 6 months and 7 months, and I spoke to my friends and I'm like, bro, I don't know what the fuck to do. And then finally she broke up with him, the guy. So she told me, she was like, yeah, it didn't work out. But anyways, chalo, I'm sleepy, good night.
What the fuck?
Check. Yeah, she's playing me.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And I spoke to my friends, and you know how dumb friends are, KV friends are, right?
That's recording, right?
I don't know. Yeah, I thought you played. I asked you to play it. You were searching for charger.
Yes, it is recording.
Oh, Jesus. You asked me like...
Sorry.
Oh, like shit.
sorry. My ADHD.
I know. Yeah. I figured that, but the way you asked me, I thought like you asked me. I was like, shit.
No, wait. So she said, I have broken up with the other guy.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Good night.
Good night. And this is not even phone calls, texting.
Oh,
the 100
SMS.
Yeah. 100 SMSs per day. Yeah, that day.
Yeah.
So we are like, she says, good night. My SMS is almost getting over. I'm at 98. I'm going to go sleep. And I was like, fuck, what the fuck? You just said that? What do you tell me?
What, you needed 97 to break up with him? Jesus, dude.
Yeah. So all this shit, I'm laughing. And I go talk to my friends. They're like, bro, come on, you gotta pull it out.
Yeah.
What do women love? The women can't handle this shit. I was like, bro. My best friend told me this. Like, you gotta cry, dude.
Oh. He's like,
you gotta cry. Yeah. But, and then there was full rehearsal where he said, like, you can't cry. Like, why do you have to, like, you know that.
I'm trying very hard not to cry.
Trying hard to control it.
दुल्हन की विदाई पे उसका बाप जैसा रोता है.
It's like, you have to look in the air.
Yeah, you have to be like,
do that, okay? And
no, I understand. It's completely fine.
Yeah, bro, that's the day I pulled out all my acting skills.
Yeah.
I fucking we were talking, and I didn't like, it's not like I met her and I started.
Yeah.
Full on planning. We met, we were talking about some random bullshit. We were talking about like what happened in your class, what happened, we were bitching about some other couples and all that shit is going on. Then she's like, yeah, sometimes I think like, I don't know if this will not work out. You know, I don't know, man. I really miss you. Like, just like, like hitting that slush. She's like, what are you saying? I don't know, man.
Your heart in her hand.
Yeah,
in your
I
hand
was like, and you know what the most emotional shit was? She was in 11th, so she didn't, I used the 12th card. I was like, man, I'm going to pass out, dude. After that, I won't get the chance to hang out with you every day.
Yeah.
I won't be able to just leave my house.
Life won't take us to the same college.
Yeah.
You know?
It's like,
time is running
this
out.
is in the lines. I mean, these lines are in Hindi, clearly. My English was not that great at that time. So I used to say like, I know now every day I leave home thinking that I'll meet you.
But the days I don't, they're just not the same.
Oh, dude, the kind of shit I've said, like, you know what? After I met you, I hate Sundays.
Oh my God. What are you doing? This is a Shaktiman fan who doesn't go to school on Saturday.
Oh, dude, I'm telling you, these are like kind of the lines I use because Sundays I don't get to come to school. And I have the kind of shit that I played, bro, the way it worked. It was actually like she, you know, at that moment she figured out. She just held my hand. She's like, Anand, I love you. And I'm like,
and then you're like, I know. I know. I just wanted to hear it from you. This is music to my ears.
Yeah, they made like A.R. Rahman violence.
I
all that
always
shit,
imagined that you'd say this.
Yeah.
But I never imagined how I would feel when you did.
Oh, dude, the level of intensity that what I acted. And the funny part was my friends were sitting right there. they're all looking and they're like, all this shit is going down.
And I'm imagining you are in school KV
Full on
uniform.
School uniform. She's wearing the salwar kameez that with that white and the blue. That shit. This is like the full on school uniform.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, dude! Immediately after that, like the most romantic thing I did. Okay, I had only $5, so I went to the school canteen, bought like 5 choco sticks, and I gave it to her. I was like,
I'm like, hey, this is a trailer of what I have in with me right now.
this is just I gave what? No, mate.
Hey,
This is 12th standard, bro. Devi ka gadal.
Yeah, this is like Pavitra Pyar.
Pavitra, exactly. Pavitra Pyar. This
Her
is
name
not-
was Pavitra, huh?
No, dude. I wouldn't reveal her name. Poor girl.
Yeah. I mean, she won't be revealing her name. I think she changed her name after all of this.
Yeah, and also this very delicate because she's happily married and all.
Oh.
So yeah, I wouldn't never reveal the name because it's very bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, a lot of weird shit. So the kind of shit that we used to do was after school, I would like get. She was in 11th, I was in 12th. So
Did you go to school in cycle?
yes.
Okay, so pushing the cycle,
Yes.
her walking next to
Yes.
you.
I would like. I had this Hawk New Age.
Oh.
You know that the Jo Jita Vai Sikandar wala cycle.
Yeah.
The one with that handle.
Yeah.
So,
Sanju! Top Gear! Yeah.
so, but this was the funny thing. This was the Hawk New Age, which had that handle but no gear.
Acha, you were like Ratan. तुम्हारे लिए विलायती cycle आई है.
Exactly. So this was like given to me by my brother. My dad
okay.
bought it for him, and then
I
got
know
it.
the ones that look like that but don't have gear.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's that one. There's no gear. It's just that, and I was a taker.
That's the one where the handle is so tight that you can hold the seat and push it.
Yeah,
you don't have to hold it like this. Yeah.
So
with
fuck,
one
what an
hand you
accurate
can-
observation. I would like show off. I would hold the seat and then I'll just push the cycle. She's
Yeah.
like, handle. Like, I know my cycle.
Yeah.
My cycle
listens
listens to me. Yeah.
And dude, I was in KV. I called my cycle Dhanno.
Oh.
Dhanno मेरी बात सुनती है.
Lakshmi. For us, it was always Lakshmi.
Dude, every KV guy, same arc.
Yeah, all same arc. We were like the only arc. I just like, I shot out of the arc when I found comedy.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have just been like the proper. I would have been married with 2 kids now. I would meet my friends and laugh like, like I would laugh like that.
You'd be like, अबे चूते का लाफा पड़ा, शी.
Yeah,
that
it's like we would be bitching about our HRs and our boss.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
अबे क्या फायदा है? उसका करने का क्या फायदा है?
भाई म्यूचुअल फंड्स में डाल, बाकी सब मत सोच तू.
अबे आंख
बात
बंद
बता.
करके रख दे, भाई बता रहा है तेरा तो डाल दे म्यूचुअल फंड में सारा.
That's the only thing. So that's where I escaped the arc. I think I shot out of it.
For me, escaping the arc was going from KV, which is all similar kinds of people, similar.
And then going to like US.
No, then going to a pure Puneri Brahmin Trust
Actually,
Maharashtrian
same.
college.
Same.
Yeah.
For me, it was not a Puneri, but it was going to a civil college, like a college,
Yeah.
which are like maybe like in the entire college, there's maybe 4 or 5 defense. Rest all are civilians.
Same.
They don't even care about army. They don't know about army.
And what I realized is they're not as filmy also.
They
don't watch as many films.
They don't.
KV mein, you just like lines.
Lines they will
You should be
remember,
like,
and especially like war movies. Oh my god!
Oh, dude.
On the fingertips.
What is that? Mathura Das! तुम्हें छुट्टी मिल गई?
Oh,
बाकी लोग को
yeah.
नहीं मिली.
This border, Sunny
Border,
Deol.
Sunny Deol,
Anyone who had
border.
a doubt, fucking. That's what I'm saying. Like there are so many like Jackie Shroff.
हम ही हम है तो क्या हम है तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो
In that even the border will say like ये रात अभी तक खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रही?
या ये रात कम वक्त ये रात खत्म क्यों नहीं होती
yeah. So all these lines and all when you watch, but yeah, but that's true. Like KV and Army KV, especially like defense,
Yeah.
very very filmy.
yeah then when the river is opened and it goes and meets the sea
Yeah.
you realize you have no identity
Nothing. You have nothing. You're like nobody gives a shit, and nobody takes what is so big for you. For other people, they don't even care.
yeah I told my friends that I have NDA passing out parade passes in KV everyone would have sucked my dick
Suck
for
your
it.
dick. Like,
Yeah.
bro, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ.
Here I had to be like नहीं वो NDA है ना
You have to explain. NDA they like कोई non-disclosure agreement है क्या?
no, they knew where NDA was because Pune mein that's a
I know,
landmark.
I'm kidding.
But like passing out parade, अच्छा, but मेरा कोई है नहीं वहाँ पर. I'm like, कोई है नहीं क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Sukhoi will go over you, bitch. Just come.
Oh, that is true. That is.
अंतिम पग में जब आखिरी फाइल पैर रखता है, उसी टाइम पे Sukhois जाते हैं,
Yeah.
which are 1 kilometer away in a.
So they plan it, yeah.
Yeah, it's timed perfectly.
Perfectly.
And then the gypsy in which the chief guest stands,
Yeah.
that has a handle
Yeah.
like this. It's so well serviced that you don't hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no. It's like electric
Yes.
gypsy.
And it has to go at that particular 5 to 6 kilometer speed.
Correct.
That you can't like no shake.
And for us, the time I went 3.5 kilometers per hour because
Yeah.
Dr. Kalam was very old and he had come.
Oh. Oh yeah, it was, well, yeah, those kind of things. Even today, I get emotional when I see those kind of shit.
Yeah, definitely.
Like I watched the Manik Shah, Sam Bahadur.
What a movie.
Yeah,
What
and
a
I saw like lot of and Meghna Gulzar, fucking what a director.
Yeah,
I really
great
fell in love with her.
director. Yeah,
because
same.
she's exceptionally good. But I saw like all my friends who are not into that, they didn't even give a shit about that movie.
हाँ, they were like, oh, ऐसा आदमी था क्या?
हाँ.
I knew Sam Manekshaw's life journey because my grandfather was in defense accounts.
Huh?
So he's passed Manekshaw's travel claims,
Oh.
LTC,
Nice.
and all. He has approved it. So when he came to visit the controller of defense accounts Pune office, he lifted the boss, my grandfather's CDA boss, that you are my paymaster. Thank you, my Jawan Zeet, because of you. He's like, dude, he walked in from the peon all the way till the biggest boss. Everyone's eyes were on this man.
Yeah,
The way he walked, the way he spoke, it was. You can't see anything beyond
Dude,
it.
he's the kind of guy who'll like steal the show. You know, like
Yeah.
how like some people say like the next like Obama. Like how like
Yeah.
people talk about when Obama was campaigning.
Yeah.
When he walked in, it's just the composure.
Yeah.
And that's what I think Sam Manekshaw was in a defense.
Yeah,
term.
and he was only
Just-
defense individual in India at that time who was a public figure.
Yes.
He was like a celebrity. People
Yeah,
knew.
he would like say like controversial statements that papers were printed in a different way.
Yeah.
And he was like, and he would like, there's a scene in the movie
Yeah,
where
yeah.
Indira Gandhi like,
Are you going to?
yeah,
Yeah.
as like तुम नहीं कर सकते. That line is there ना, नहीं कर सकता या नहीं करूँगा.
हाँ.
शक मेरे काबिलियत पे है या नियत पे है.
हाँ.
And like the thing is, I know that is very filmy the way they made it the line.
But more or less, that was the stake.
That was the tone.
Yeah.
I think the tonality of the scene was that.
Yeah, yeah.
But what I'm saying, I watched that movie and I wanted to watch it like 2-3 times again because just like the things that they captured.
Correct.
Like, you know, like, I mean, there were some scenes I was not happy, like when I got kicked by the mule. Do you remember that scene?
Ha.
Where he gets shot.
He gets shot in Myanmar. And,
Myanmar, the war, and then there's like, what happened, dude? What happened to you, soldier? And it's like, I got kicked by a mule. And the doctor laughs and like, oh, this lad need to be saved.
Yeah.
That's the line. But it felt a bit like, I was like,
With someone with that humor,
we need to save him.
We need
Yeah.
to save him.
Yeah, exactly. Those are the exact line. But yeah, I mean, like, what I'm saying, I mean, all in all, this movie was like so good. But like, we stopped making movies like that. Now it's more like even this Chhatrapati Shivaji movie. I've not seen it. So I'm not going to comment on it.
Sambhaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj.
Sambhaji Maharaj. Okay.
His son.
His son, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So the movie is that I've not seen the movie, but even some of the scenes that I'm saying, people are not appreciating what the movie is about.
Yeah.
They're appreciating the dialogues, like, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
like, you're not getting the point.
The movie is the stakes, what he was up against,
Yeah.
what situation was there in the country at
And
that
also
time.
what they want to convey the movie, like there was this guy with this kind of thought process.
Ahead of his time.
Yeah, that's what you need to learn. He's like, नहीं देखा उन लोगों को कैसे सबक सिखाया.
They made it more because the whole thing is कि we won't let an Islamic ruler wipe out the Hindu kingdoms.
हाँ.
People only took that part.
They only took the Islamic part.
Yeah.
They didn't took a foreign ruler will rule you. They
Correct.
didn't take that part.
Yeah, and they didn't also take strategization.
Yes.
How to win war
That's what happening in
strategy.
Indian cricket though. Like it's coming back. What like Dhoni and Saurav Ganguly strived so much. I think it's coming back. What I see like emotions are taking over
Yeah.
Indians.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
it's taking over again. Like where I'm seeing like Indians are panicking under stressful situations. Like I'm not this Champions Trophy because they played exceptionally well.
Yeah,
but
but,
what I saw in BGT.
But Australia is next. Australia, dude.
No, I'm happy. The Australia, I think India will beat.
Yeah, you think?
Bro, they are going with no ballers, bro.
But
Who's there? Stark is not there. Hazel was not there. Pat
Cummins is not there.
Their main bowler is Sean Abbott. Or I think Nathan, I don't know, some other. The lefter.
Something Spencer.
Spencer.
Yeah.
So And I saw these guys. These guys are very good with variations. And I'm telling
Spencer Johnson.
I think so, yeah. The guy who does this kind of slow ball. He supposed this slow ball.
Faulkner reincarnation.
Exactly. Yeah. Faulkner reincarnation. And even a very funny bowling action. Bowling running, very funny.
Yeah.
So when I saw that, I'm like, bro, your variations are good, but I don't know if it'll... Tell me if accept Zampa. They're going to play in Dubai. Who's your spinner?
Only Zampa, maybe Ashton Agar. They will play.
Then they'll bring in Head also. I think Head will also, depending on the pitch, because the pitch is very spin oriented.
Yeah, I mean, Varun Chakravarti, there's no comparison to Varun Chakravarti on Dubai pitch.
I'm sorry we're discussing about cricket right now.
This is more specifically for one viewer.
Again, they're talking about cricket.
No, we'll take it to the other. Just let us finish. Forward 1 minute.
Yeah. I'm just thinking like Australia, if India has to lose, India has to fuck up really bad. Like all players have to play like KL Rahul.
Why that poor chap?
All players.
Oh shit.
Even against New Zealand, 23, bro. Not even 1-4.
No, 1-4.
No, it was 0-0.
Hey, 1-4. He stepped out and put it over long off. Great intent by...
Oh, really? I remember him. I saw the highlights. Because I remember him getting out. It was 0-0.
It was a difficult pitch to score boundaries. Everyone scored very less.
But Pandya, you saw how Pandya batted.
Yeah, he was slogging at the end, bro. He was going... That's his role.
I get that, but dude, you're really gonna... 23 he scored. I'm saying your job is to take it till the 40th over and then give it to Pandya.
Yeah.
Maybe that's your job.
Yeah.
I agree to that, okay? But then, why are you getting, like, that's what I hate. Like, hate about players who are like see, Jadeja and Kohli, no judgments.
Yeah.
Great catches.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fucking question you at all.
Yeah.
Like, Kane Williamson took a fucking blind. I mean,
that was a great,
for that level, like, to opposite hand, I'm like, it was a very good
and I'm happy Kohli is getting out, hitting in the square.
That's exactly what me and Somnath were talking about.
Thank you. Yeah.
I thought it was going to be slip catch, but at least he's hitting.
I'm like, you're accessing that area. It was a good shot.
Yeah.
It was the right ball. You can't help it if there is Superman standing there.
Yeah, you really can't help, bro. That ball, if like another 2 inch, it would have gone.
That is jaunty level, bro.
Yeah, that was a jaunty level catch. You cannot stop those things.
Yeah.
And the thing is, the previous ball was a miss hit and went over him.
Yeah.
The previous ball, so that you cannot counter that. But I'm just saying, so against Australia, India will have to really fuck up. Only then they can lose. Their main villains are Australians. Sorry, South Africans.
And don't drop catches, I would say, against Australia.
I don't think so. They will. I don't think. Unless they put like Kuldeep at mid on, long on.
All I want from tomorrow's match is Travis Head gets out cheaply and some really aggressive in-your-face celebration. Yeah.
I don't think so, man. Travis Head is that important. I think the 2023 World Cup is just he was insanely lucky.
Yeah, but
also that 130 in BGT, come on, dude. That it's fine. I'm not that angry. He hit it at a strike rate of 100. He didn't like play like Pujara or something. He didn't tire the Indian bowlers.
Yeah.
He was like
he just demoralized them. Now you have stamina and no will to bowl.
Yeah. It's like he hit them with 100 strike rate. That's the T20 kind of game style. How do you break them is what Pujara does. Like 250 balls, 30 runs.
Are you bored yet?
Yeah.
No. Nathan Lyon after 600 balls, are you bored yet? He's like, no, bro. Okay, fine, I guess.
Okay, coming back to like
non-cricket.
Sorry,
this weird thing happened to me.
But yeah, I wanted to ask you, how did congratulations on the recording. The journey has finally started.
Yes.
And you don't know this, but Aditya is quitting his job this week. And he's going to be a full-time comedian. Welcome, guys. Welcome, full-time. He's going to be so bad.
Yeah. No, but dude, this weird thing happened to me. Tell me... I just want to deflect. I don't want it to be about me.
Yeah, give it to me.
Yeah, no. I had to pay my maid. Her Google Pay is not working.
Oh.
So I had to withdraw cash.
Nice.
And I take out my
I think this is a pawn category, right?
If there isn't, there should be one.
I did not have. She didn't have a Google Pay. I had to withdraw cash. There was no one in the ATM. The doors were jammed from inside.
Yeah.
Sorry, continue.
And the pawn is also shot from ATM camera footage.
ATM camera footage. Yeah.
She's like, enter the pin now. Only 3 incorrect pins allowed.
Continue. So you went to the ATM.
So I went to the ATM and I had to go this backside Chota Gully and also I didn't take the bike. I took the Activa.
Okay.
Okay, and I went to the first HDFC ATM. No, IDBI ATM. No cash.
Okay.
Big sticker there. 3 ATM units, all 3 no cash. Then I went to the other side, rode a little more. No cash. SBI ATM. Not SBI. Some other bank. No, Kotak.
Kotak didn't have money.
Yeah, Kotak.
All this Kotak, ICICI and HDFC generally have.
Yeah, HDFC, I was surprised. So then I said, fuck it. So I rode it. I went on Old Madras Road in traffic, stood in traffic, came all the way forward near that Shell, before Shell petrol pump.
Indiranagar?
No.
Or here Shell petrol.
Yeah,
there's another ATM. Yeah,
there is a SBI plus HDFC ATM. I go into the HDFC ATM, not working.
SBI?
And I finally got it from SBI. But here's the weird thing.
SBI had cash?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a...
And no technical glitches.
Whoa, that needs to be in the paper, bro.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable.
At HDFC ATM, the watchman who was inside, I was listening to music and I was trying to, he came up to me and he said, sir, मेरे पास Google Pay नहीं है. I was like, okay. He's like, मैंने खाना मंगाया. I was like, great. वो आ रहा है, उसको मुझे 100 रुपए देना है. लेकिन उसके पास Google Pay नहीं है और मेरे पास कैश नहीं है. मैं बोला, bro, you work in a bank ATM, bro. He's like, sir, मैं डेबिट कार्ड नहीं लाया आज मेरा.
तो फिर क्या मतलब he just wanted $100 from you.
He wants me to accept 100 rupees from his Google Pay to my Google Pay, and I have to withdraw 100 and give it to him.
Got it, understood.
Dude, this was the most weirdest transaction.
Or you could just pay Google Pay to the Zomato guy.
Zomato guy doesn't. He can do it, no.
Oh, the Zomato guy also doesn't have Google Pay.
Not Zomato. It's some Chotu who's gone and brought for it.
Okay, got it, understood.
Yeah.
Got it. It's not Zomato. Okay, got it.
Yeah, he hasn't reached Zomato level order.
Got it, understood. Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yes.
So I mean, I couldn't believe it that, dude, you are the bank. You work at the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then I came out and I was like, dude,
for someone to not have a cash who's working at the bank is kind of...
Or a debit card or no way to figure out where to get 100 rupees from. You must know the people inside. Ask someone for 100 rupees there. But I guess watchmen you don't work at the bank if you're a watchman of the bank.
Maybe you have not built a rapport yet with the people.
He was youngish also.
Okay, maybe that could be the only possible scenario.
Nice private sector, public sector union. 2 people had ordered food together. SBI watchman and HDFC watchman together.
Yeah. Like Operation Milap.
Yeah, Operation Milap मैं होने नहीं दूँगा. So then I went. I was like, आपके बैंक में पैसे नहीं है. I went to the SBI ATM. There, that watchman, he's coming behind me because his friend is going to need the money.
Okay.
Right? Because I'm withdrawing from SBI. This fucker is teaching me. This is the 4th ATM I'm seeing in the last.
He's teaching you how to use the ATM.
After that, he's like, आपको एक cancel press करना पड़ेगा. तभी वो आगे बढ़ेगा. कार्ड बाहर आएगा. मैंने बोला, मैंने अभी 100 विड्रॉ किया. उसके पहले मैंने 10,000 विड्रॉ किया. तभी मैंने वो नहीं किया. 1 मिनट में क्या बदल गया? नहीं वो होता नहीं है. वो होता नहीं. मैं बोला, okay, fine. I went and gave him only 500 notes available. I gave him the 500 note. He's like, sir, मैंने तो 100 मांगा था. मैंने बोला, बैंक में जा, बैंक के अंदर जा.
वहाँ से 100 रुपए खुला लेके आ जा.
Yeah, then
was this guy high?
I don't know, dude.
It literally sounds like he's like, sir, मैंने तो 100 रुपए मांगे थे. So you're thinking you asked for 100 and I'm like, यार 500 रख ले.
Dude, he's such an idiot. He's like, अच्छा सर मैं 400 और Google Pay कर देता हूँ आपको. मैं बोला गधे ये 500 लेके जा और मेरे को 400 अंदर से दिला देना.
हो गया.
Yeah, 100. Then he's like, हाँ.
Really slow, bro.
Then he was like, sir, लेकिन उनके पास 100 का नोट था तो आपको ही दे देते. मैं बोला, अबे ATM के अंदर नहीं था 100 का नोट. कैशियर के पास तो होगा ना. This conversation went on forever, sir. And then he came
and
back.
your maid is waiting here.
My maid is waiting. Yeah. And then he came out and he's like, sir, transferred. I checked my Google Pay. I got the 100. I'm like, okay, this is not a scam. Then when I was leaving, sir, he's like, sir, अंडा बिरयानी मंगाए हैं, खाएंगे क्या?
Such an Indian thing, bro. That is such an Indian thing. Anda biryani खाओगे? Indians have to do this, bro. They have like, sir, कुछ थोड़ा लोगे, sir.
Yeah.
We have to ask that question. That is so funny. Imagine if you had said yes. I think his face would have changed.
Dude, the SBI staff, this was lunchtime. So the SBI staff from inside cashier and everyone, they were going out for lunch. There is like one small chai place.
I know. At the TMZ, whatever, RMZ.
Yeah. Inside.
There's one small Darshini.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, Sagar.
something Sagar.
Ah.
So there, and there is some chai tapri also. They're all going there.
Yeah.
And the staff of the bank this guy works in is walking out for lunch, and this guy's like, "Sir." And he salutes me. Thank you, sir. Those guys like, who the fuck is
This
this
is so
guy?
funny. This is so funny. Because that's the thing. I think he's a young guy, right? I think he's newly appointed.
24, 25.
Newly appointed, for sure.
For
I think
sure.
I think he's like in the working culture, I think in the last 1 year. That's it. Not more than that.
And also in a tier 1 city, not more than 1 year.
हाँ easily. So he's just like गांव में तो कोई करेगा नहीं ऐसा मतलब पर गांव में तो करते हैं लोग हेल्प.
गांव में करते हैं पर उसके दिमाग में है कि शहर में नहीं करते हैं लोग.
हाँ.
सिर्फ थोड़े अच्छे लोग करते हैं.
थोड़े अच्छे लोग करते हैं. Yeah, and you
So I
were
was
that
थोड़े
guy.
अच्छे लोग.
Oh,
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah.
Wow, what a cool experience this is.
Yeah, whatever the fuck, dude.
Yeah.
I heard this one and another weird one. You have something?
No, please
Yeah.
go for it.
Another weird one. So our common friend who's staying with me, the
Yes.
comic, right? He teaches stand-up lecture-wise at this high school, where rich people schools have these kinds of workshops, right?
Stand-up?
Like, KV, like how to write jokes, that kind of stuff. In KV, what is the extracurricular activity? ये चार्ट पेपर को जोड़कर
SUPW.
SUPW, हाँ.
नहीं तो arts and craft. That was the extra. PT was extra.
PT was extra, or any type of craft.
Yeah.
Like, dude, gardening.
Yeah.
Grass cutting they used to make us do.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
talwar jisko bolte the.
I know
Ghas talwar.
exactly. The only other time you have seen is like soldiers wearing khaki shorts.
Yeah.
Those are the only people
White
doing that.
t-shirt tucked in.
Yeah, tucked in, and they're doing, Jain Saab,
Yeah.
ho gaya Saab.
Yeah.
Those are the only I kind of learned the technique from them.
Yeah.
They will like, don't put pressure, just swing it with the body. For
Yeah. It's like a golf swing.
Yeah, they were my Tiger Woods. They taught us how to cut it. It was nice.
Actually.
They taught us like you don't put pressure.
Yeah.
You just use the weight of the talwar and just swing it and it'll cut the...
And once you are in the flow, don't change anything. Keep going.
You're just like a happy grass cutter.
Yeah.
La, 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 la. I can just put a Bollywood song in the back and it'll fit like, you know.
Yeah. It's like, mere desh ki dharti so ugly.
It's the same thing what they do with like tea plantation. They just look happy.
Yeah.
When they're putting those leaves.
Yeah.
For some reason, they look happy. They look poor.
They have to do it.
They look poor and happy.
Why did you bring poverty in?
I mean, do you really think they look fucking wealthy and happy?
Yeah.
They look like la. It's what they do that, like, you know how...
They have that, Assam mein they have that tea picking song also, right?
Yeah.
That,
It's like choreographed.
Yeah.
The beats are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's like it's their version of practicing the cover track. Shadow batting. Yeah.
But yeah, continue what you were saying. So this guy teaches at a rich school, elite school, how to write jokes to a bunch of kids. How old are these kids?
Like 12, 13, 11, 12, 13. 6th, 7th, 8th standard.
Oh, okay, got it.
So, and he doesn't teach
Very
there.
bad age to get manipulated.
Yeah, one semester where...
These kids are semesters.
Yeah, I mean 1 year where the one teacher would have been like, this year we're going to give our kids this. And they hired him.
Okay.
And he said, so the goal was 4 classes and then 1 practice within the class, just like School of Rock. And then perform for the parents.
Oh my God.
Right. And
Jesus.
So he said everyone was told the basic principles, set up, punchline, 3 line. And he said, couple of examples, YouTube videos were played. कि देखो ऐसे होता है joke, इसको show that setup.
So he like broke up like premise, setup, punchline.
Yeah, all of them to them and said, whatever you want to, you must be watching TV, you must be watching news, your parents must be subscribing to newspaper, anything.
Do these kids like look down upon other kids who like Kapil Sharma? Because this is elite school, right?
They might have not known that there is a guy called Kapil Sharma.
Oh,
this
that's
is
how
that
elite.
Rich.
That's how elite.
Yeah, that rich.
They watch John Oliver.
Yes. Their parents are playing John Oliver.
John Oliver or who's John Stewart? What's the...
John Stewart is Daily Show. John Oliver is Last Week Tonight.
Last Week Tonight, yeah. So they watch like those people.
Those people.
Yeah, I think Hindi comedy for them is Veer Das.
Yeah.
Veer Das does Hindi. For these people, I'm saying. I mean, the rich and elite are the most pretentious in terms of comedy because...
But this kid, he said, I was shocked because this 12-year-old wrote a really dark joke that was well structured.
Oh, give me the joke.
So this is the joke, okay? The joke is the kid says, we all know that we study in a rich school because other kids in my society, they're students in their school. Here, we are not allowed to call ourselves students. Our school tells us to call ourselves learners. This is too much pressure. Yeah. students can do other things. Learners just have to learn. We can't take that much pressure.
Ah, funny.
That's very funny. She's like, you know what they call students in US schools? Pupils. That's what they should call us. Because they're like, all they see is pew pew. Pills.
Got it. It's a
That's
dumb
a-
joke, but a dark joke.
For
Yeah,
a
dumb.
12-year-old kid, 12-year-old
Yeah,
kid,
12
this
was
is
a pretty good. Pew pew.
pew pew.
Pew pew.
Pill.
Ah.
Pupil.
Got it, understood.
Perfect.
Pew, pew. Pew,
I'm
pew.
like,
Pill,
this
pill.
is what is this kid going through?
Yeah.
This is a lot of self-awareness, dude. I think.
It's a good joke though. Pew pew. Pill.
Yeah.
Pupil.
Yeah. And tell me if you think this is. I think the rich and elite have been shamed in the last 15 years since the advent of internet.
Got it.
Much more
Uh-huh.
than they were shamed before. They were much more guarded, right? Their compound was.
Yeah. Secrecy.
Yeah, now they have the pressure to be a common man more. They want common experiences more.
Yeah.
So they,
Or at least make sure their assholery is not documented.
yeah, or they at least acknowledge that I'm an asshole.
Correct. Yeah, whatever. I mean, potato. Yeah. If it's documented, you have to agree you're an asshole. Otherwise, make sure you're not.
You can't just be like, hey, because I see a couple of 23-year-olds that Kavya's friends with. They're like, Kavya's like, hey, his house was filthy. And he's like, bro, my dad was kind of wealthy. I've never had to do it. People around me did it. I know that I lack that ability to pick up and clean, but I just can't get myself to do it.
Yes, what? You're going to get me feel pity for that?
You know, he's like, no, I just can't do it. If you want to judge me, you judge me. But
Yeah, I am judging you.
I know that I'm an asshole. So I'm like, this is new. Because rich kids, when I was 23, 24, rich kids
Fair
would be
enough.
like,
Good angle. Hot take.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because now rich.
But I'm just getting more angry. It's like what you're.
Yeah, I'm like, now you're sensitive also,
Yeah,
bitch.
yeah, exactly.
You have money, you have opportunities, you have exposure.
No,
Now
it's like you have kind of found a new excuse. You know, it's like
Okay,
you
yeah.
have found a new excuse to justify, because there's this whole angle how like you're just flipping what Eminem did in 8 Mile, the last rap battle. I know I'm a bum.
Yeah.
I know my mom
Now
is.
tell me something I
don't know, but I'm
people
like,
don't
fuck you, dude. That you can't say it like, I know I'm rich.
Yeah.
I know I come to college in a
Yeah.
Mercedes.
Yeah.
I tell what I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, there.
It's like what I'm trying to tell is, imagine the 8 Mile, the last rap battle between. So imagine Clarence said the same thing to 8 Mile. I know I'm rich.
Yeah.
You would be like, no,
Yeah.
that's not a great rap.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's like, I still am angry at them. Fuck you, dude. You can't just use this as an excuse.
I'm also angry at them, but I'm glad that now they want our approval. The only reason why they're doing this is because they care about what we think, because now our voice can be heard in their social media
Yeah, I mean,
feed.
finally FOMO is happening.
Yeah, FOMO from earlier, like Bombay, dude. There are some South Bombay kids who have so much money that one of them used to work with Kavya in a consultancy firm, probably just because
He was bored.
हाँ.
Or his dad is like, go learn some skills.
yeah, go learn some skills. ऐसे ही तेरे को business में नहीं बिठा दूंगा. Prove your worth, right? Which they're like, my dad is very hard. I have to earn it.
I had to earn my respect.
I had to earn the managing director post.
No,
at this
you are doing the
1,000
wrong
crore.
actor. It's like, I told my dad कि my papa like, you can go with Aditya, you can go to Karan. But I'm like, नहीं, मुझे संजय लीला बंसाली के पास ही जाना है. I worked hard.
yeah.
So it's like, this is written Sonam Kapoor all over it. But yeah, whatever you're saying.
Exactly that attitude.
Yeah.
So Kavya and them from lunch, Lower Parel to Dadar. Dadar, there is that Madras cafe. I forgot what is it called. There's an amazing
Something,
idli cafe,
yeah, I
right?
don't know.
And there is always waiting. Right? Dadar is full Tamilians and Dadar Matunga is full Tamilians.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Matunga is a Tamilian area.
Oh.
And so is Chembur.
Oh, Chembur and Matunga is Tamil people.
Full Tamil.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Anga Kovilla irukum, bro.
Oh, really? Na
Yeah.
ponadilla.
Yeah, there should
I've
be.
only fucking been in Bandra, Kurla, not Kurla, Bandra, Khar, Andheri.
Yeah.
These are the only 4 places I've
There is a subset of Chembur called Cheda Nagar. That is all in the morning.
Proper Tamil.
Proper.
Okay, gosh.
So,
How far is this from Bandra?
Chembur is not that far.
Oh.
Chembur, BKC, Bandra.
Oh, that's 2 stops.
Yeah, 2 stops.
Okay, if I'm ever moving to Bombay, I'm living in Chembur.
Yeah. That's where I started looking for apartments first.
Oh.
It's reasonable.
Yeah.
It's not a great place to be, but Bandra, Khar is close by.
So close by. Yeah, that's all
not
you need.
so close by. 30
but yeah,
minutes.
2 stops. The 30 minutes is fine, bro. I
Yeah.
lived in Bangalore.
Yeah.
If you tell anything that's less than 45 minutes, I'm already in.
Yeah.
It's
So
like, I don't want to go to Powai. Powai would scare the shit out of me.
Yeah, because there is no access. You're in like you're like
You have to take a cab.
Staten Island ferry.
Yeah. I don't get the reference, bro.
No, New York. These guys keep saying.
I don't know.
Okay. From the movies, I thought you'd know.
No, I don't
because
know this.
Pete Davidson's movie, that
Staten Island,
King of Staten Island.
No, I used to think like I was too confused. I used to think like New Jersey was also the same thing. Then there is one. What is that? Long Island was the same thing.
Yeah, they're all small islands.
So I always say like I don't know how they are placed, and I never check the map.
That's the Staten Island is the only place where you have to go through ferry for fastest entry.
Oh.
Yeah, because you don't have to go through other cities through the road. You can directly take the ferry and
Got
reach
it.
there.
Understood. Yeah. Fair enough. But yeah, what were you saying? I completely forgot.
Actually, in New York, right, one tourist tip, whenever we go, you don't need to stand in line in the heat to go watch Statue of Liberty. Take the Staten Island ferry and watch it from the ferry and go drink at some bar. Yeah, that's what I did.
But yeah, most people want like go to stand right under it and take a photograph, right? That's what the main thing is.
But the thing you're looking at
That's what I'm
is
like.
not
That's the
visible.
most Indian thing. I'm
Yeah.
saying. That's the most Indian thing to have to stand at the footprint or the foothill
Yeah.
of that and then take a photograph of. That's what the I don't know. That's the. But yeah, this.
So this sorry, I now remembered that Idli Cafe they went to and they were standing and there is a ground floor section.
Correct.
Where दो seat ना हाँ वो table पे बैठ जाओ adjust हो जाओ and two other strangers will be sitting. You and I would like even you me Kavya suppose we go will be like yeah we don't care anyone can sit we are there to eat idli fucking eat.
I would sit there and talk to them. I'm like, nice idli uncle. Like, I
Yeah.
would say something.
They're like, what you ordered? I'll also order.
Yeah.
Nice kesari. Like something like that. This kid was like, no, we'll wait for the upstairs section. This is so LS. LS means, that day I found out, LS means low society.
Ooh.
So, and she didn't think she was doing, Kavya's like, dude, this is where my husband and I eat every Saturday. This is not low society. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're like, are you calling me low society? How condescending.
It's a very tough way to find out your low society. What like early in the morning? I can't have Italy fast and told me I'm low society.
People find out they are low society when they go to 5-star hotels.
Yeah, exactly.
I found out at an Idli kadai, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, downstairs, based on which section I was going to. So
this is like that where Titanic Kate Winslet's like, I want to come down there.
Yeah. This is the kind of privilege that they had.
Yeah.
But now they're finally coming to a point where that I know I'm privileged.
No,
I know
I
this
think
is
this
wrong
all
to say.
happened because see, this is my
Theory.
take on this. My take is that finally rich people want our approval because Archie is bombed.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, whatever, no matter what you want, like if you think about like rich people were rich because see, Kaho Na Pyar Hai or not Kaho Na, like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. These movies still made money.
Yeah, correct.
Even though people didn't relate to jack shit in the scene.
Yeah. Yash Raj.
Yeah, Yash Raj, ye Khandan, ye Parampara, all that shit. People, and then Archie's was the movie. They're like, hey, dude, they will watch whatever we show.
Yeah.
And first time India was like, fuck you, we're not watching. What are you showing?
Make an imaginary world, but don't make the imaginary world also privileged.
Yeah. Even Archie's was such a bad movie that it made me look at Zoya Akhtar like she is retarded. Like,
yeah.
I was like, dude, you did Zindagi Na
that
Milegi.
is EMI movie, dude.
I think so. It was an EMI movie. Yeah. It's a
Yeah.
pay my. But dude, you did like Kabhi, what Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara or Dil Dhadakne Do. I mean, compared
They're
to
good
these,
movies.
they were not bad. They had a storyline, they had a premise, they had a conflict. Everything was there.
Dil Dhadakne Do is actually a film I really like.
See, that's what I like about Farhan Akhtar and Zoya Akhtar, what you're telling. When you show me rich people, show me correctly.
Yeah.
Don't do Archie's out of it. So
Yeah.
I think that's what happened. So I think
Archie's was just too much money to ignore.
Yeah, they were just like, and also you saw all the star kids put together act in such terrible manner.
Yeah.
So people are like, yeah, you guys are dependent on us.
Yeah.
You put so much money, but nothing came back.
Yeah.
So I think that's why there's a little bit of awareness.
Yeah, I mean, not just Bollywood. I think in society in general.
No, that always happens. Yeah, that always happens when there are no longer gatekeepers to fame.
Correct.
Everybody shuts the fuck up for a while.
Yeah.
You know, like Samir Raina can get famous in 2 weeks, so even a rich guy will be like, what the fuck?
Yeah, Munawar Farooqi can sit next to an A-list celebrity and be like, what you're saying, that's not life. Life is... मैं डोंगरी में रहता था. Right? I came from there.
Oh, he said this? I don't know this. Where did he say
No,
this?
I'm saying he can.
He can, yeah, exactly.
And dude, I bet you, people like Karan Johar don't know where Dongri is.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
it's the opposite of you not
Yeah.
knowing Staten Island. Yeah. Because you've
Yeah,
never
it's the
been
exact
there. It
opposite
doesn't
of it.
apply to you.
Yes.
They're like, डोंगरी क्यों जाऊंगा मैं?
अब मुझे
मेरा कोई टायर का पंक्चर का दुकान नहीं है. Like, I go to डोंगरी.
I totally get it. So I think for first time they are looking for our approval is because they have understood that nobody looks up to them anymore.
No one everyone aspires to have the kind of money they do, but they don't aspire their lifestyle
Anymore.
Yeah.
Or also, this is my take, okay? I was like, you know those members only club?
Yeah.
It's only a big thing if a lot of people want to become your members.
Correct.
If it's members only and nobody's applying,
Yeah,
then it's not
yeah.
members only.
When-
Then you're out of shop.
If you have 10 tables at the restaurant and only 5 people are applying,
Then you're running out of business. It's not members only. I think that's what's happening.
yeah, that is pretty much what's
Yeah,
happening.
like because if you look at it like what, like, you know, like give me like UBCD. It was
yeah.
always shown as like this, oh my god, members only, very expensive.
Correct.
You have to appreciate.
Yeah.
I know. And
Yeah.
then Bob's came and they're like, fuck you.
Yeah. We don't care.
Nobody gives a fuck.
Yeah.
And people at UBCD used to look at Bob's bar like it's like a bar.
Yeah.
Like it's like a local bar.
Yeah.
But Bob's are like, no, bro, it's actually pretty hip and happening.
Yeah, it is the kind of people who come here are the people who used to come to you thinking you were cool.
Yeah.
But now they realize that coolness is not how things appear. It is.
I think
the
coolness
crowd.
is in terms of bars. If you're talking about coolness, is specifically designed if you are picking up women without paying them.
Yes.
That's where the coolness
Yes,
factor is.
yes,
if
yes,
you're
yes.
paying to pick up women, then it's not a cool place.
Yeah, but for us, people like us,
Uh-huh.
if the girl we are with or the girl in the group is not uncomfortably dressed, that is the place I want to go. If
Yes.
they are comfortable to come in a jeans and t-shirt, their conversations are also different.
Yes.
Have you noticed? If they come in a dress and they're like, just where is India going? Like, I'm like, dude, bitch, I know you. You ordered a masala magic packet at 2 a.m. last night.
Oh yeah. That's
so-
when you catch them red-handed.
Yeah. So when they come to Bob's, they're more like, I like this vibe. Dude,
Yeah.
chill, dude.
Yeah, you don't need to listen to music to make conversation. You don't have to. I don't want you to speak in my ear all the time.
Yeah.
You know?
have to be like, peanuts.
Yeah.
Peanuts.
Peanuts. I'm reordering. Yeah.
Repeat,
So I think that's what happened to rich people. Like
Yeah.
I think that's the whole idea with IT and this thing was poor people figured out how to have fun without looking shady.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
That's the whole idea behind it. Because remember how our dads used to have fun? They will go buy whiskey and fucking put it in a paper bag. Like a bomb. Like, Dad, you bought this whiskey with the money you made.
Yeah.
Why are you ashamed?
Buy that. Then go to hot chips packet.
Yes.
And hide the chips packet
Chips
also.
packet
Then
also.
people will know that aaj peene wala hai.
And always like come home, put a whiskey bottle on the side. That's the biggest thing, you know, why did all dads hide their whiskey bottle?
Godrej cupboard ke andar my dad used to keep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beer
Mere
bottles
dad-
used to be warm unless it has to be consumed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think that's what changed. Because we look back then, only rich people used to showcase their liquor.
Yeah, correct. Beer bar cabinets.
Bar cabinet.
Yeah.
But now, even like middle class people, they are like, yeah, this is the whiskey I have, bro.
Yeah.
What do you want to have?
Yeah, my one friend who went on-site for 1 week to US brought this from duty
Yeah.
free.
I
have
remember
it.
like all my friends' house, once they've gone abroad, they've come back. Their parents' house, there's a bar cabinet.
Yeah.
And Old Monk is not the only drink.
Yeah.
You see, like-
There'll be one Glen something.
Yeah, some Glens will be there, or Jameson will be there.
Yeah, Jameson,
or
yeah.
like Jim Beam, something will be there.
Yeah, and
So-
if nothing, Jack Daniels will be there.
Yeah.
One coaster will be there. The peg measuring
Yeah.
30 ml, 60 ml.
That's the only thing is Hindu families are doing that too. Because it was predominantly a very Christian family. I mean, no offense, guys. But you are the only
Son,
one that
why don't you have a beer with me?
you're already back straight. There's a French beer that appears.
He's already drunk in the afternoon at 3.
Yeah. But Hindu families are like, oh, but
Yeah.
I've seen now they're also
Auntie is wearing pink frock, cutting chicken, chopping chicken in the kitchen.
Yeah. It was so
Somehow they're all sweaty
Yes.
because
Oh, man.
to show Christians, Bollywood even in Bombay showed Goan Christians.
Yeah.
So they were always
even if
sweating.
they're wearing a sari, the blouse is sleeveless.
Yeah.
that's the blouse has to be sleeveless. It cannot be other way around. So that's what I'm saying. I think like now Hindu families are doing shady things openly with confidence.
Yeah.
I think that's what the rich people are missing out. Whatever was theirs, that members only.
Yeah,
I think
it's
that's
gone.
what they're losing.
Yeah, and now you're right, because earlier if you see even the 70s, 80s, angry young man, common man rises type stories, there everyone's like, एक दिन मेरे आजू बाजू 4 नौकर घूमेंगे, हाँ मेरे को मखमल का चप्पल पहनाएंगे, ये मैं, but now that's not the dream is like, dude, I don't want to be an asshole.
Yes,
people have made me act like that waiter.
Also one take on this I have is like even in Angry Young Man you see him climbing up the ladder. When he reached the top of the ladder, automatically his costume was a suit, and he had like a fucking hand watch.
Yeah, hand watch.
But right now the most rich
he
guys,
drank from the small peg carrying thing.
That one I've never seen that in my life.
Yeah,
that shit. But now I think wearing like a plain grey t-shirt has become cool.
Yeah.
Like you see like.
It's like Rahul Dravid has 1,000 crores, but look at him.
Yeah, he is fucking driving a Creta.
Yeah, and getting yelled at by an auto driver.
Sir, na madala, sir.
Yeah.
And it's like,
okay, sir, tappu nande, sir. A bit. Like I could see, like you broke Rahul Dravid, dude. What the fuck?
So I'm just saying, I think it's just it's like the thing has changed now.
Yeah.
The more money you have to look less fancy.
Yes, you have to pretend like, money is just incidental.
Yeah.
I'm going for value.
Because right now people just don't want to be like, he became rich yesterday.
He's comfortable in richness.
Yes, he's always been rich. So to that, I don't care, dude.
Yeah, earlier, because if you see the success stories they used to show.
Yes.
Amir Khan, blue shirt, blue pant, going to 5-star hotel. Right, that's what rich people thought. It's like, hey, buy the roti, jinda rice, shawarma
like
market.
Amitabh Bachchan wearing a grey suit only for that scene. Where he's made. Otherwise, he's just wearing fucking coolie t-shirts.
Yeah, it's that whole मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता.
Something like that.
Yeah. But then like they became rich in the movies and they had Naukar Chakar. Which is like, and like, dude, your dad worked as a Naukar at someone else's house. This is why this journey started.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why are you like shitting down on them? Now you become the asshole kind of.
So now this generation, because of the self-awareness being called out on the internet.
But I also can I deny that there is a small population that we both are counting for.
No, I'm just
there is a huge population because, dude, look at Pushpa. Pushpa is basically what that Amitabh Bachchan's Angry Young Man was.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, he's a nobody. Oh, I don't take cash, which was thrown on the ground. Pushpa literally has a scene where they'll give the cash. He's like, I don't take cash like that.
Okay.
So he also has. I've not seen the whole movie, but the whole thing is he was a nobody, becomes a big guy. Now he's this rich, uber rich guy. But I'm like, so there is a huge population still for that.
Got it. No, understand.
But I think we are just that we are
talking about urban population.
Yes, we are generally talking about urban population. Like that's why people are moving to Bangalore, because I realize that village में अभी कुछ है नहीं.
Correct. और tier 1 cities में भी काफी equalization हो गया है. There's no gatekeeping in most places.
Yeah, and also people are not moving to Bangalore to become successful. People are moving to Bangalore like, I want to tell people I live in Bangalore. I live in Mumbai. I live in Delhi.
Yeah.
I don't want to say I live in fucking Indore.
Yeah, it's like if I said that, dude, I live in the US. Where in the US? Wichita, Kansas.
You want to say I live in New York.
Yeah, I'll be
because everybody knows everything now.
Yeah, Chicago.
Yeah, you want to say like those kinds of things. People want to say I'm from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Or I'm from big. Even though the city is suffering. But I think that's what has become more.
No, I 100% agree. Dude, in my lifetime, when I was growing up, I thought I would have made it in my life if I eat one meal at 5-star. And people are like, you have infinite amount of money. Infinite.
Yeah.
What is your dream car? And I said Honda CRV. My classmates laughed.
We were poor, bro. We were raised poor.
Very poor.
When I was in school, this was my dream. Become an army officer. Get married by 27. Buy Skoda Fabia.
Oh
the
my
cheapest
God.
Skoda.
Yeah.
This was, and also red.
Red Skoda Fabia, army sticker on top, wearing Ray-Ban aviators with golden rim.
Polo shirt, t-shirt tucked in, blue jeans.
The bicep almost
has to be seen.
Getting strangled.
Wearing a G-Shock.
Yeah, G-Shock. Yeah.
I resent G-Shock now.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, why am I wearing a wall clock on my wrist?
Yeah.
I resent that watch. Why is that big? But I remember when I was a kid, all I wanted was a G-Shock.
Yeah.
I wanted a G-Shock and then like a Ray-Ban and then a polo shirt with like that yellow rim.
हाँ,
bicep.
yeah,
That
yeah.
was the dream. Bro, very small dreams. Bro.
Very small dreams. And then during COVID, right, someone told me, and by this time I've made a little bit of money.
हाँ.
And someone told me, अरे तू पुणे में है ना, तेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ अभी JW Marriott ने buffet खोल दिया है. Why don't you take them to brunch buffet? I was like, dude, mom, dad, me, Kavya, 4 people buffet,
Yeah,
5-star hotel.
It is damn cheap during that time.
Yeah, I was like, no, dude. They're like, no, it's just 1,800 per person. I was like, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, for once a time. And then
No, it's not bad. It's complete. It's a all inclusive. Everything
yeah,
you can
like
eat.
3-4 cuisines
Yeah.
are there. So when I bought the coupons
Uh-huh.
at the reception, like, I'm not a guest. We want to buy 4 tickets. My dad is like, you have made me proud today. 5-star hotel. I was like, now when I came there and I started seeing what food was there, I was like, this is not that fancy.
Yeah,
dude.
it's not that
It's
fancy.
not that fancy.
It's-
What was I
it's
imagining?
exactly true. Like when I went for a show, they put me in the JW Marriott. I was like, oh, JW Marriott. Then they're like, sir, breakfast is included. And I went to the breakfast. I'm like, bro,
What? One dosa, bread
Yeah.
toast. Yeah, I mean, it's nice.
it's not bad, but it's not like, oh my. I walked into the thing like the dosa would be like gold plate custard.
I thought
Edible gold.
I thought I would sit in that giant long table
Yeah.
where the owner of the hotel sits at the top on the other side. You know, like that Victorian bungalow. There are these gold wine glasses.
I still had to peel my own eggs.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
I thought people would be peeling banana with the knife
Yeah,
and fork.
nobody does
Nothing.
that.
One auntie was like, hey, Inga, why tara? And she was feeding her kid.
Yeah. It happened during the pandemic though. A lot of people like that's how me and my friends partied at Hilton. We just booked an entire suite.
Yeah, you told me.
So like that, it was like fucking 4 people. It came like 6,000, dude.
Yeah, nothing.
We put 2,000 per night, like less than 2,000.
Yeah. So when I think COVID changed it. During COVID is where the change
good
happened.
angle. Yeah, people did like rich thing, and they're like, yeah, it's not that great.
Yeah, it's people are like, yeah,
It's good, but it's not like whoa.
Yeah, I don't want to work all my life for this.
Yes.
I get a better version of this at a reasonable price anyway.
Yeah.
That's why Bob's, everything, this is coming. Now rich people want to go to these places.
Yeah, because it's like we have flipped the game.
Yeah.
Now it's like-
Amir Khan's son has to go with a backpack everywhere
Yeah.
to sound. Shraddha Kapoor has to put a photo from auto every Sunday that I'm
Yeah,
taking
like
an
even
auto.
Diljit Dosanjh has to come to like Rameshwaram.
Rameshwaram, हाँ.
और रे भाई यहाँ की इडली खाने मन होगा. I'm like, shut up, bitch.
Yes, yeah. It's like now stories come out like, you know, Shah Rukh Khan's favorite chart is Elko.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay. First of all, Elko is also fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. In Bandra, Elko.
Oh, really? I didn't know this.
That is where Ed Sheeran's interview happened with Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill.
Oh, really?
Gaurav Kapoor.
Oh,
They
I didn't
did
know
that
this.
interview. Anyway.
I didn't know
So.
This is Breakfast with Champions.
No. I don't know. Some internet property.
Got it,
only.
understood. Okay, fair enough.
But I think we got to experience expensive shit, and we were like, quality में इतना difference नहीं है.
इतना difference नहीं है.
हाँ.
और bro, it's like here's the thing, right? Once you experience that materialistic thing, you're like, bencho nahi yaar, it's all about experience.
Yeah.
It's not about the thing.
Yeah.
And that's what Bob sells. Bob is like, you come here, you will and walk around with the 8,000 bill.
Yeah.
And you'll be like, fuck, I ordered so much, and still it's.
And you will be like, shit, I like these people.
Yes.
Because I spoke to them.
Yes.
Yeah, I had every time I've gone to Bob's, whoever I've gone with, I've liked at least one person in the group a little more than I did before.
Yeah, Bob's does that to you.
Yeah.
And also, it's not Bob, it's the alcohol that does that. You become a little quiet, the beer is nice.
You
the
don't have
vibe
to
is
yell,
nice,
yeah,
you
you're
don't have
just
to yell.
chilling.
And you're seeing, like, my thing is, like, when I see pretty women around, I become, like, happy.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
become, like, I'm like, yeah, I think
And
life will be all right.
Bob's has a lot of pretty women, and in general, you see all kinds of groups.
Yes.
In Bob's.
Yes.
That I like.
You'll also see, like, this North Indian gang that is like, अरे भाई आज तो party करेंगे.
हाँ यार.
And then also you'll see.
बोलना उसको इंदिरा नगर वाला Bob's.
Ah.
Right.
Yeah, then you'll also see like this couple with this long hair,
Yeah.
like the guy with the long hair,
Yeah,
and he's
yeah.
like a musician, you can tell.
Yeah, he's like, bro, I'm just gonna roll a ciggy
Yeah,
here.
you'll see that. Then you'll see a bunch of college girls. You'll see a bunch of like office party, like 10 people with the
Yeah,
Dell
office
bag.
guy, yeah, helmet.
Yeah, helmet guy's me.
No bag, and then on top of
Oh,
that
the
helmet.
helmet. Oh, yeah.
And
So
the
that-
iCard has been just
Thrown.
wiped and put it inside the bag. And one guy has put it here.
Here, and
Yeah.
you can see all this. Like, weird amalgamation
Yeah.
of people that you really see and you kind of like it. So that's what I think.
GRE is actually on the cards. Amalgamation.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, girl.
What is the word that we were talking outside funny? Confrontational.
Yeah, non-confrontational.
You're very, you know what's your problem?
Yeah, you know.
When someone tells that, no, it's just a Bill Burr joke that comes.
Yeah.
You know, when they meet you and they try to figure you out, you know what's your problem? And you just have this urge to hold their hand and mush it in whatever they're eating. And they just hold it.
Yeah.
Just feel the bubbles come out. It's so funny. But I think we should wrap up this. We're doing 1 hour. Oh, great time. Wrap it up with the Bill Burr joke.
Sorry for hogging.
No, it's great, dude. I loved it. Because nothing happened to me last week. It was pretty mundane.
Yeah.
So, like, I didn't drink for the whole week.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dude, that is news.
Yeah.
You are preparing for GRE. right now.
Next
Raat mein you're
8
sitting and
days,
doing cons.
no alcohol, not even a sip.
Oh, nice.
Just like going home by 10 o'clock and passing out at 11 o'clock.
What just to see how your body reacts to
No,
it?
I'm reducing. I'm
Okay.
really reducing. I want to get back in shape. I'm going to gym. Fucking every day I went to gym.
Whoa! Nice.
Fucking I worked out. It was so good. And I felt like I've lost like 2 kgs also. I checked on the this thing weighing machine.
Nice.
I lost some weight. And I was like, fucking. So nothing interesting. All was motivational. That's bullshit.
No, we'll take the 2-week update next on the next
Oh yeah,
podcast.
definitely.
Yeah.
I'll like this next week full drinking.
Yeah.
I'll just see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this episode. My name is Anand Ratnam. This is Aditya Natarajan. This was the Elephant Room podcast.
And for you, those of you who like our cricket episodes, we are starting another podcast.
Yes, we are starting another
with
podcast.
your favorite guest, Somnath Padi. He
Yes.
will be the co-host. Show some support to that as well. Follow the Elephant Room handle. We'll put out a story. We'll put out the name of the new podcast.
Yes. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.